Alright YouTube, so this is the Modernista Soundbox 100, the 20-watt Bluetooth party speaker. So in this video I'm gonna do the sound test of this thing. Well, already you heard the sound of this thing in the unboxing video, but in this video I'm gonna play some more songs and gonna check the sounds in detail. So let's do that. Let's turn this on.
The wireless device is ready to be paired. The wireless device has connected successfully.
Attention, but in reality I'm trying to send a message. I know there's kids out there that are going through the same thing, and if you're one of them I hope to help your suffering. Just know it will get better and these feelings do not stay the same. No, they don't stay the same. I don't wanna make you feel bad, but you kinda ruined my life. You hurt me and ruined my life, and I don't wanna make you feel bad, but you kinda ruined my life. You hurt me and ruined my life. I lost a couple friends on my way up. I took a couple L's, but that's just normal talk. I popped a couple pills, but they don't do much. And now I take Prozac in the morning with some other stuff. But why did I get into this? I feel like this is all a dream. But when I wake up, look around, this isn't even make-believe. So I sit in the corner thinking back to all the memories. I grew up with these fake beliefs, by the time I find a remedy. I don't wanna make you feel bad, but you kinda ruined my life. You hurt me and ruined my life, and I don't wanna make you feel bad, but you kinda ruined my life. You hurt me and ruined my life.
And how I'm not quite there somehow. My intuition says to give you up, but my heart can't easily let you go. I try to tell myself this isn't love, and I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone. Counting up your sins, I keep a list and checking it twice. I know where you've been, I smell the sin and you're looking nice. Who can bury I got goals you don't wanna know. I got goals you don't wanna grow. Trying to forget I'm in your head, shatter up your spine. Try not to choke, a funny joke when you say you're mine. Lost your control, think you're alone, I'm still in your mind. You can bury me. You don't love a night. I'm still broken in the gutter. It's just me on my side. But I leave you with the shadow. With the shadow. I got goals you wanna know. But I'm just getting started. My eyes on the target. Love, love. You're the better ones. You can't best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world you'll see. They'll be calling me, calling me.